Hey, so I wanted to share an example with you of a video that I used the share link with so that I could see how many people viewed the video. I used this for a PD that I did, a short one on training on our new MacBooks at work. And you can see that 27 people watched the video, which is great information. But here's the best part. When I click on it, you can see all of the viewers, how many people viewed it, and what dates that they viewed it at. And then the most important part is how many times they viewed it, right? So I saw that one person went back and viewed it 8 times. So this could let me know that this might be something I might need to do more training on, that people need help with. Or maybe I have just an individual person that is struggling. Here, somebody watched it 3 times. It looked like most people watched it 1 to 2 times. So, the other thing about this, looking at the views, is I had selected anonymous because this was a professional development and I didn't want people to feel like they were being tracked and called out, but I still was able to track and get some information for me. As I know, if you are a teacher coach, sometimes that can be a issue that you don't want people to feel like you're playing gotcha with them, but you still need data. So this is a great way to provide both those things. And obviously, this is in my workshop. So check it out.